that is the first thing I do. I just look at it and see like what jumps out, what do I notice, and just, let it sit for a moment. Then I go into this little tabby tab here. For those of you who are only listening, we can now not see the chart itself anymore, but a lot of data about the chart. So obviously up here it talks about the big three. She has an Aquarius sun, a Taurus moon, and then Leo rising. Says a little bit about the moon phase that she was born under, but that's all. We're going to ignore all of that for now. The first thing I actually look at is the distribution of the planets. So at first, we're going to look at the qualities. So the qualities talk a little bit about motivation and the way we do things, right? Just in a very general matter.
Yeah.
Now, with Sarah, she has a shit ton of placements in fixed signs. And that basically means that she is probably a very stubborn person.
Okay.
When she starts things, she will finish them. She is not someone who, like other people, myself, start a bunch of different things all at once and then get lost and overwhelmed and quite frankly bored with having to finish them because there's another new shiny thing over here that's way more interesting. She is nothing like that probably because she has like
Yeah.
over half of her chart, like 54, I can count, 54% of her chart is in fixed signs. So she is very stubborn. She is very like clingy too. If there's a thing that she becomes interested in, she will lean more towards maybe even obsession with that thing and just be like, I have to figure this out, which is probably part of why she chose archaeology as a job because you have to be like that, right? You have to want to solve the mystery. And even if it's tedious and hard work, like you have to want to stick with that one thing,
Yeah.
right? So she has very little cardinal in her chart, and cardinal is the quality that makes you want to start things, that makes you get up
Mm,
off the couch and, find the motivation to, yes, I'm going to start a new thing. I'm going to go on a new journey. She doesn't have a lot of that.
okay.
So she probably needs a little bit of a push to actually, maybe try something new. Maybe don't, you know, do
Okay.
the same things over and over in the exact same way. Why don't you
Yeah.
try it a different way?
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.